This is the latest addition to Volkswagen's electric vehicle lineup, the ID.4 GTX. This sporty electric SUV is designed for those who want a sustainable and versatile vehicle with a touch of performance flair. With its striking design, advanced features, and eco-friendly focus, the ID.4 GTX is set to leave a significant mark on the EV market. A standout aspect of the ID.4 GTX is its remarkable performance. The vehicle is equipped with a dual-motor setup that delivers a combined 295 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque, providing all-wheel drive capability. This powerful powertrain allows the electric SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 6.2 seconds, placing it among the quickest in its class. The electric SUV offers an impressive range of up to 240 miles on a single charge, courtesy of its 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack. This extended range ensures worry-free long drives and daily commutes. Additionally, the ID.4 GTX is compatible with fast charging, enabling it to recharge up to 80% of its battery in just half an hour, using a 125 kilowatt DC fast charger. The exterior of the ID.4 GTX showcases a bold and dynamic design, featuring unique sporty elements such as the eye-catching LED light signature, the honeycomb-patterned front grille, and exclusive 20-inch alloy wheels. The overall aesthetic expertly blends aggression and refinement, guaranteeing that the ID.4 will turn heads on the road. The interior is characterized by a roomy and well-equipped cabin, complete with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. The vehicle includes a fully digital cockpit, an augmented reality heads-up display, and the latest infotainment system from Volkswagen, ensuring drivers and passengers stay connected and informed. Furthermore, the interior offers extensive customization options, with various color and trim choices to cater to individual tastes. Safety is a crucial aspect of the ID.4, and the vehicle comes with an extensive array of advanced driver assistance systems. These features encompass adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines. It also incorporates the new IQ Drive system, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities under specific conditions. The all-new ID.4 GTX presents an enticing combination of style, performance, and eco-friendliness that is bound to attract a diverse range of drivers. With its notable range, swift charging capabilities, and exhilarating driving dynamics, this electric SUV demonstrates Volkswagen's dedication to fostering a greener future. As the Volkswagen ID.4 GTX enters the market, it is set to make a lasting impact in the ever-expanding world of electric vehicles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.